Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you heard in the previous videos, I was talking about maybe doing a Claybar job on this thing. So today, Will's here. I picked him up from the airport like, what, Friday? Yeah. Friday afternoon. And today's kind of an overcast, cloudy day. So it's supposed to be rainy and thunderstorms this afternoon. So we said, screw it, we're just gonna Claybar the Challenger today. We do need to get some sort of sealant for it after we Claybar it, which would be nice. It does need a scratch and swirl removal as well. But luckily Chemical Guys has all that shit, so I'll probably pick some up on the website so we can do that next. I just want to kind of decontaminate the paint with some Claybars. Pretty basic. What we're going to be using is the Chemical Guys Clay Luber. And all it is just a synthetic lubricant to get the paint wet, so you're not just trying to like run dry clay across it. And we're going to be using the OG Claybar from Chemical Guys as well. Got 4 of them for the boat. So I think probably 2 will be enough. We can just do 1 per side, pretty much half the car. So should come out pretty good. We did wash the car yesterday. We just kind of dusted it off. So we're just going to start claying and go from there. So we did the Claybar, and then we ran out to Walmart, unfortunately, because I didn't really want to wait to get some of this HYDROSLICK ceramic HYPERWAX. No, this is not a ceramic coating. I just want to point that out for all the haters, because there's some people that really believe in ceramic coatings, but that's not ceramic coating. It's a wax that has like ceramic coating like properties, you know what I mean? So it's not going to be like crazy, but it's gonna, right, it's super hydrophobic. Can't talk, Jesus. It's a super hydrophobic wax. It is raining outside, so we're not gonna be able to put the car back out there, but yeah, we did apply the stuff, buffed it all off. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but came out pretty good. So it is still a little bit scratchy and swirly. We did everything from the paint to the windshield, side windows, everything. We did plastic. We applied wax on everything. The back bumper came out really good from the Claybar. And this center section no longer has a crap load of scratches on the bezel. So, ooh, that's bright. So, overall, pretty happy with the outcome. We're gonna probably do another coat here in a couple days after it's had time to just kind of seal up and be good to go. But if you guys want to check out any of the products and stuff that we used in the video, check out the description below. I'm gonna throw a link in there to the Chemical Guys website. Since we're an affiliate, if you guys shop through that link, it helps us out on the channel and brings you guys more content, because everything we make from those partnerships just goes back into the content and into the channel. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day. We'll see you later.